What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video I will show you the latest news directly related to our story. I will show you an update from several major law firms that made a huge step towards the resolution of major problem of naked shorting and illegal activity on the market. And I will show you what should we expect in upcoming days. So, and before we dive deep into all of this, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and drop me a line in the comment section for whatever reasons you want. For now, it takes me up to 4 or even 5 hours on a daily basis to make these videos. And that is why I kindly ask you just to hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. So, and let's start with the news. On my yesterday's video, I showed you this letter that was written by another congressman, Senator Roger Marshall. And one of my viewers, basically Bradley Tate, made a response on my video. And first of all, let me remind you that I've told you that this letter is pretty much a generic letter, and we didn't have any specified steps towards the resolution of our problem. But let me show you what did Bradley write to me. In my comment section he wrote, "Andy, that's true enough about the letter I got from Senator Marshall of Kansas. Here is an extremely important point that you failed to consider or mention, and should have been mentioned in your response. Although it is true at this time Senator Marshall may be taking a cautious approach toward action on SEC and FINRA, it is very positive that he bothers to write to me, and too, most important, when very many Kansas residents spread the whole truth with their personal stories to Senator Marshall, he will understand the truth of the matter and join with others in Congress who will issue a subpoena the blue sheet from SEC. Look, Andy, Patrick McHenry has already made a commitment to subpoena if documents were not immediately forthcoming. Andy, I like your reporting in general, but in this case your report should have been a lot more positive. Lastly, have you talked about the other letters from Congress I released? No, there is a great momentum in Congress now to resolve our situation. This is my point of view. And I have to say, I want to just give a huge shout out to Brad, because it is extremely important to receive this type of feedback from my viewers. And I have to say that I respect this opinion, and let me give you some details. First of all, yes, probably I didn't use the proper words when I described this letter as a generic letter. Let's say that this is the first step in our favor from Congress towards the resolution of our problem. And the next step will be definitely from our side. It should be the step from our side, because our community members from Kansas should contact to his office and should give more feedback to Senator in order to resolve our problem. And let me show you another 2 letters that Bradley wrote recently. On September 29th, he published this. "Hey Jonah, can you and Anna Trades help me out there? Both Dick Durbin and Chuck Grassley have sent me letters indicating they are not willing to help. Yes, they will help if they hear enough from constituents. All that I ask is that you retweet these letters. Thank you." And I have to say that I covered these letters in one of my videos, and I do a video on a daily basis. And yes, I know about this, and I want to say thank you to Bradley, because his achievements are very important for the community, because he already received several answers from Congress members regarding our case. And yes, this is how we can solve this problem, because everyone in our community has the power to reach the Congress, to reach some people who might help us, and definitely it gives us even more power to win our battle. So let me show you further information, and we are on John Burda's official Twitter account, and he wrote this tweet just several hours ago. And he said, Broker-dealers can be held primarily liable for failing to fulfill their gatekeeping responsibilities of monitoring their clients' trading activities. Good job, Alan, Wes, and teams at both firms, but as well for all of the other cases, including the potential case that MMTLP may file. And here is the link on the official statement, and let me quote you some details. Broker-dealers can be held primarily liable for failing to fulfill their gatekeeping responsibilities of monitoring their clients' trading activities. And let me quote you further. Warsaw Bernstein, a full-service law firm in New York City, today announced that on September 29, 2023, Federal District Court Judge Lorna Schofield of the Southern District of New York issued an opinion and order in Harrington Global Opportunity Fund versus CIBC World Markets that will reverberate through the compliance departments of every brokerage firm on the Wall Street. In her decision, which denied the defendants' motion to dismiss Harrington's market manipulation claims of spoofing, Judge Schofield found that broker-dealers may be primarily liable for manipulative trading initiated by their customers because they serve as gatekeepers of trading on securities exchanges and have a continuing responsibility to ensure that their customers' order flow is in compliance with all applicable rules, regulations, and laws, and detect and prevent manipulative or fraudulent trading under the supervision and control of the firm. Alan M. Pollack, a partner at Warsaw Bernstein LLP, who together with Leron Themim, partner Felicia S. Annis, and the Christian Attar Law Group represent Harrington, said, "This decision is a clear and unambiguous warning to broker-dealers that unless they fulfill their gatekeeper responsibilities of monitoring their customers' trading, can be held primarily liable for their clients' manipulative conduct. Brokers can no longer claim that they are not liable for their customers' trading activities because they are only following their directions. A broker can now be held primarily liable under the federal securities laws when they recklessly fail to monitor, detect, and prevent the manipulative or fraudulent trading of their customers." And in my opinion, it is a very huge step towards the resolution of major problem of illegal activity. Because for now, we have the set of companies, set of broker-dealers, basically all of the broker-dealers on US territory, who might be responsible for illegal activity, regardless of the origination of this illegal activity. And yes, I think it is a very up-to-date information, and it is a very up-to-date decision, because broker-dealers for now, they know the illegal activity during the process when it is happening. But they didn't do anything to prevent this activity, and for now they will have to do something to stop the bad guys, to stop the wrongdoers in this illegal activity. And that is potentially the first step towards the resolution of naked shorting activity, because naked shorting in general happens through the broker-dealers, and these broker-dealers allow people and allow companies to perform this activity. And this is, in my opinion, a huge step toward the resolution. So, let me show you that we don't have any information from Richard Hoffman, and let me remind you that just yesterday he had a meeting, he had a Zoom meeting with Fidelity regarding their arbitration, and definitely he will publish some updates regarding this case, but for now we don't have any information. And guys, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up.